Come over there and spend a day or two. The prep work is one of the most time-consuming parts of this job, wouldn't you say, Fabian? Because putting in the pile and the bracket is a fraction of the time of the prep work. And if you don't prep it right, now you got a pipe in the way, now you got to dig it back in and all that. It's a pain. But also through the access. Fabian's seen many jobs. We had one job. We had to drive that machine up a set of brick steps, about 16 steps, to a landing. You ever heard of Corey Beerman?
Yeah.
We piled that.